like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to another vlog. Hold on, little munchka dunchka. I am cooking my son some breakfast. He just had a birthday. He is 2 now. I'm losing my light. I should put that down. He's 2. He just turned 2 yesterday, February 5th. Today is the 6th. We didn't do anything Sunday. Well, we did do something. Sunday we took him to Chuck E. Cheese, and his sister and my nephew, and then my cousin came. People came, but we just took the kids to Chuck E. Cheese just to take them, and we like, why not? Let's just go for Nori's birthday, for the kids to get out the house. You know, they've been in school and stuff like that. So y'all know how long I've been waiting to do this little girl's room. We finally getting it together. Like, finally get it together. I am moving out this house, and my fiance is keeping his house. Now I'm gonna get my own house, so I need to make sure her room is complete so I can focus on my house, my place. So finally get it together. I got her bed, because as y'all know, I'm gonna insert a clip of how her room was looking with like just everything on the floor. Oh my god. Y'all, so here's how her room was looking for, I'm not even gonna say weeks, I'm gonna say like a good maybe months. The kids was just, it was basically a playroom. But I got tired of it looking like this, and I was like, listen, 2024, everything's getting elevated up. Everything is upgrading. So yeah, clean clothes everywhere, but it looked crazy. I was just over it. But we getting it together. So hold on, baby. So I got her bed. Actually, let's get your iPad. I got her bed. And I just ordered her toy chest cubby thing. Is this that? Oh, there we go. Here you go, baby. I just ordered her toy chest cubby thing that came from Amazon yesterday. And then I ordered her nightlight. No. What else did I order? I think that was it. I ordered her nightlight. So what's left to get? I have to get her a lamp, and I have to get her some sheets, a pillow, because I'm gonna get her new everything. So she get a pillow, and then she needs some curtains. So I'm getting that. My face is dry. I did not lotion my face yet. Oh, your girl finally got these brows done, honey. I gotta brush them, but like, yes. So what I said, nightlight, her lamp. No, I got the nightlight. I need to get her lamp, curtains, some sheets, a pillow. I need to get her the bed, the frame protectors, the toe protectors. So you know how people hit their toe on their bed frame. I don't got time for her to be crying during the day, in the middle of the night. I ain't got time for none of that. So I'm gonna get her the sleeves that go around it. This breakfast is done. I'm gonna get her the sleeves that go around it. Trying to think what else. Ooh, that's a little burnt. Hold on guys, I'll be back. So on the agenda today, we started going through, hold on, y'all can't see me. We started going through her toys, her picking out whatever she wanted to keep. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to go, I have one bag in the living room. I'm going to go through her toys. I'm going to pull out, I know from the bag she said that she wanted her pony. So I'm going to pull that out for her. And then anything else I think she might want, I'm going to pull that out. And then the bag is getting donated. I'm taking down my Christmas tree today. It's still Christmas gifts under there that the kids didn't open. They opened it, but the toy itself is not open. So I'm doing that today. So I guess my living room, and then the toy bags, and then her room. Alright, yeah, well, let me step out. Alright, y'all. So this is how her room is looking now. I put the blanket down because she like to come and lay in here and stuff. Alright, this is how her room is looking. These bags are toys. Hence why I had to pick them up. So, I think my best bet is to take everything out and then put up her toy thing so I have a clean area to work with. I think that's what I'm gonna do. No, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to stop saying I think. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take everything out of her room and put all her, she has a clothes bucket here that some of the clothes have to be hung up, and then some of her hangers broke, so I have to get her new hangers, and all her sneakers and stuff that she fits. I'm gonna put it in her closet so this area is clean. And then I can put up her toy chest, and then from there I can start plugging in the toys that she's gonna keep. That sounds way better than me going through all these damn toy bags right now. And then I kind of wanted her to do that. I kind of wanted her. Oh, you guys are crooked. Jesus Christ. I kind of wanted her to do that. I kind of wanted her to go through her toys, because we already went through 3 bags. And she kind of, but it was 3 small bags, not the black bags. It was 3 small bags, and we went through the bags, and she kind of kept what she wanted. So I feel like she could go through the rest of them. And then her bed frame, depending on how high it is from the ground, I can stack some of her toys under her bed frame, because her sneakers are not going to go underneath her bed. They're going to stay in her closet. Because they're just stacked up. So that sounds like a plan. Alright, let me get started. What are you doing? You are out of breath. Alright, let me get started. Alright, y'all. Take out all the bags. So now, these are the sneakers. I don't think she fit these. But as you can see, this is what I'm working with right now. And her toy chest, hopefully it measures. I didn't measure it. But hopefully it measures to about here. Alright, y'all. So, let me move out y'all way. I cleaned it. Girl, I'm tired. Alright, so we about to open this up. I'm praying it fits. Oh, I just broke the damn. That's terrible. Okay. It looks small enough. It looks small enough. Let me see this. Oh, these look like this. Oh, it's real small. Okay. Let's put that over there. screws. Yep. Okay. Oh, look at that. It came with little stickers. It came with little stickers, y'all. How cute is that? Oh, look. Rainbow. This is kind of the theme I'm going with for her room. Like a rainbowy theme. Before I was just doing like different shades of pink. And then she expressed to me that she likes teal and purple and blue. So we're going with a little rainbow thing. Alright. So let's put that over here. Put that over there. This is my instructions. This is my That's what I'm hoping. It fits like that. Right here. Okay. I'll be back. I need a screwdriver.
So show that you cry. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever dream of. If all you need is good time and I got I better get all my love and take it home, baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be fat and cool you and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, I'm feeling like it. I wanna be down, I wanna be down.
Matter what you say, what you do. When I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa, got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva, iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends, I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies, why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish, just sad as shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do. When I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Lay it up like so. And then E. You see, these things don't be labeled. I'm guessing it's this. It's the only thing that got pulled. What's the picture of? I'm guessing it's this one. It's supposed to, I guess, go like this. Around. guessing. Alright, y'all, I got 2 bars left on my camera, but she's done. I'm guessing. Okay, so now I gotta put the, so this is the long one that goes in the bottom, and you see the, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of showing up the same pink, but this is lighter than that, but it's supposed to be 2 different shades of pink. I just gotta put a little pieces in the thing. And I'm guessing this is how it's supposed to go. Just like that. So I do want to label them. My camera's dying. I do want to label them. Which one is this? The small ones? I'm guessing this is how they're supposed to fit. Or is it this way? Can you see? No. It's that way. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so freaking adorable. Even though it took me 6 years to freaking do her room, but it's getting done now, and that's the only thing that is important. Oh, there's different sizes. This is the same size, but this is smaller than down in my body. I don't know. Anyway. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. And it fits right where it's supposed to. How cute. I'm so excited.